Hi guys, I'm doing VIX, which is a future for volatility. Um, just beware because this is very volatile as well. You can see in a month we can go up and down the reversal. The good part that you can actually using Socrates can make 10-20%, and then go back and do the same way. But it's you have to be very careful. It's changing on a daily basis. So I'm doing this so I can have a record down the road as well. You see in March we have a turning point and we had another turning point prior in January. So we see this was a tentative of touching a reversal. So now presumably this month will close above 2363. I'll go all the way to 32. You can see the Socratics. It's starting to turn up. Even on a daily basis. Let's see on the monthly basis. Yeah. So I'm expecting a move coming up into on the weekly basis. Might wait a bit, but there should be a move all the way to 20 March. Since 27 was kind of low, March gonna be a high, so it's a good trading opportunity. Let me know your thoughts. You can see the race here as well. 8 March with the opposite in the 14 March. So 8 March, opposite in 14 March. Probably gonna go back to 18 level and go further.